Hey friends, welcome to another Red Seal Refrigeration HVAC Mechanic License Exam Reviewer. This is multiple choice set number 4. 10 questions again. Number 1. On a split condenser multiplex system, what shall your considerations before setup? A. Ambient and head pressure. B. Indoor temp. C. Indoor pressure. D. Suction line insulation. And correct answer is A. Ambient and head pressure. Number 2. When installing an exhaust fan on a roof, what will elevate excessive vibration? A. Spring mount. B. Foam board. C. Silicone. D. Install rigidly. Correct answer is A. Spring mount. Number 3. On a steel serpentine condenser coil, how do you repair a leak? A. Bronze. B. Silver. C. Solder. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Silver. Number 4. When switching a system from R502 to R507, what must be done to low pressure control to ensure proper operation? A. Increase cutout and increase differential. B. Decrease cutout and increase differential. C. Increase cutout and decrease differential. Or D. Decrease cutout and decrease differential. Correct answer is A. Increase cutout and increase differential. Number 5. How do you determine the R value of the insulation on a suction line? A. Saturated suction line temperature. B. Outside diameter of pipe. C. Pipe wall thickness. D. ID of pipe. Correct answer is saturated suction line temperature. Number 6, where is the oil separator located on a refrigeration system where oil return is critical? A. On the discharge line close to the compressor. B. After the evaporator. C. Liquid line after the condenser. Or D. Inlet to the evaporator. Correct answer is A. On the discharge line close to the compressor. Number 7. On a building automated control system, what function do you use to recall history? A. Trend log. B. Set point. C. Occupant log. Or D. Equipment log. Correct answer is trend log A. Number 8. On a psychrometric chart, the given are 75 Fahrenheit dry bulb and 64 Fahrenheit wet bulb. What is the relative humidity plot on the graph? A. 40%. B. 50%. C. 65%. Or D. 55%. Correct answer is D. 55%. Number 9, on an economizer system, the outdoor air temperature is 45 Fahrenheit and the supply air 55 Fahrenheit. The system is calling for cooling. What should happen? A. The compressor shuts down and the economizer damper modulates to maintain 55 Fahrenheit supply air. B. The compressor shuts down and the economizer damper modulates to maintain 45 Fahrenheit supply air. C. The compressor starts and the economizer damper modulates to maintain 50 Fahrenheit supply air. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Compressor shuts down and the economizer damper modulates to maintain 55 degrees supply air. And the last question, number 10. When putting a holding charge with R407, what must you do? A. Charge as a mixed vapor until a positive pressure is reached. B. Charge as a liquid until a negative pressure is reached. C. None of the above. Or D. Charge as a liquid until positive pressure is reached. Correct answer is D. Charge as a liquid until a positive pressure is reached. Okay, that's it for this video. Cheers and have a good one.